Discover our latest routes and destinations.
If the last remaining passengers are on the departure line so wish to travel in this service, please proceed for immediate boarding at gate number 9. Failure to do so may result in any bags for your travel being denied. That's the last of item boarding for your case.
Belfast City, your gate is now closed at departure gate number 21.
Passengers in group 1. That's passengers in group 1 only to board our departure gate number 11.
This is a security announcement. Baggage must not be left unattended at any time in any part of the terminal building.
going down by passengers in groups 1 and 2. That's passengers in groups 1 and 2 to board now with departure gate number 11. We have now passengers in group 3, that's passengers in group 3 to board now with departure gate number 11.
This is an exception to those passengers sitting as our emergency exit rows 1ABC, 2DEF, and at row 16 and 17. Thank you for your understanding and cooperation. Once again, welcome aboard this Ryanair UK flight, shortly departing to London Stansted.
Fielding complete.
It's one roughly 1 hour forecast jelly smooth on route conditions, but we do advise keep your seatbelts. Just finish up last paper of the checks and we'll get going, and once the doors are closed, time crucial between the safety demonstration. Just keep us to full attention. After that, it's about relax. Welcome.
Order anything from our in-flight range. Our crew will prioritise your order and deliver direct to your seat when it's safe to do so. Our crew are here to help. So if you have any questions, just press the call. We'll be with you shortly. Thank you.
Welcome on board this Ryanair UK flight RK1274 taking to London Stansted. Today's flight time is 1 hour and 4 minutes. Your crew for today is Captain Rose, First Officer Daniel, English by myself, Marie and Mohammed at the front, Alex in the middle and Georgina right at back. Can we have your full attention for this safety demonstration, as these features may be different from the aircraft that you have flown before. Please have your headphones for this demonstration.
May we have your complete attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ from aircraft that you have flown on before. Please remove headphones for this demonstration. All emergency exits are indicated by a red exit sign, and the footpath markings will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. The exits are located on both sides of the aircraft, at the front, in the middle, and at the rear of the cabin. All exits are also shown on the safety card. Pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Before takeoff, please study the safety card located within the area you are seated, as it includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type. It is essential that cabin signs and instructions given by the crew are followed. We would like to remind you that smoking is not permitted anywhere on board. Your hand baggage must be securely stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you, and it must not block any aisle or exit. Now please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table folded, armrests down and window blinds open. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Portable electronic
affordable drinks, soft drinks, snacks and many more. We also got fresh foods such as ham and cheese, panini, sandwiches and many more. We also got fun children's class with game on board. We also got you free pregnancies, cosmetics and from 20 euros. Just a bit of maintenance to gas was like we'll accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Google and Apple Pay. And also ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to remind you that we no longer sell any alcoholic drinks on the mainstream flight, so there won't be any alcoholic drinks on this flight. And also ladies and gentlemen, we do have a passenger on this flight with severe nut allergies, so we ask highly not to open any products that contain nuts and we won't be selling any either. Thank you for your cooperation. For now, sit back, relax and enjoy your flight.
landing, the captain has switched on the fasten seatbelt sign as we are descending to London Stansted. We kindly ask you now to return to your seat and ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your armrests are down, window blinds fully up, and your tables in the upright and locked position. Any bags you may have removed during this flight should be now restored for landing, ensuring all cabin aisle and emergency exits are kept completely clear of all baggage and loose items. You can find the safety car in the seat in front of you or the area around you. Please give a moment to review the safety car before landing as a reminder. In the event of emergency evacuation, all hand baggage must be left behind. There should be no more standing or walking in the cabin aisle, and the use of the toilets is no longer permitted. We'll be landing shortly. Thank you. About 10 minutes from now, please ensure once again that your seatbelt is securely fastened and visible to your onboard crew. Large and portable electronic devices such as tablets and laptops must be switched off and stored away. Smaller portable electronic devices must remain in flight mode. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair is delayed for 12 minutes to London Stansted, where the local time is 11:30. Please remain your seats and seatbelts securely fastened until the cabin complete final stop and captain has switched off seatbelt sign up for you. Please be careful when opening overhead lockers as your items might fall out and cause injury. All your large electronic push devices and laptops must remain switched off and stowed away. You may not use a mobile phone. Please refrain from smoking until you have reached designated smoking areas in terminal. And finally, by behalf of Ryanair, your captain, first officer and your special crew on board today, we'd like to say thank you for choosing to fly us today, and we hope to see you on our future flights. Thank you, good morning, and have a lovely Friday.
Heavy.